I'm gonna show you in this really short video how I improved the battery of my iPhone 11 really simply, and I decided to create a video for you. So in the hopes, this video is gonna help you and you'll learn something. So what I did, if you go here to settings and you go to control center, just add this accessibility shortcuts, and then just swipe down, and here you should see now accessibility, and click on accessibility now, and just enable reduce motion, reduce transparency, reduce white point, and also make sure to improve the overall battery of your iPhone. Also make sure you charge your iPhone every single time your iPhone is below 50%. And now I can also move this accessibility so it's not, I usually use this pretty frequently, so now it's located right above, as you can see, and I can actually move this even upper. So that's how I maintain a good battery percentage. So make sure you also, sometimes the brightness, you don't use higher brightness, which is obvious probably, but yeah, something you should keep in mind. But I really hope you found this short tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.